Harihi Om. My dear holy souls, this is Mata Anantananda Sri Sadguru Shivarama Avadhuta Ashramam, Kamavaram village, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh state, from Bharat, that is India. Now I am going to share the illumination of 272 mud lamp. There was a village, well established one. It had abundance in all angles except salt. It was not dependent on any other places. The villagers were able to produce everything and cultivate the needful crops. The villagers are in all occupations as handworks. However might be the language and conversations, they had love, affections, and regards among themselves. Irrespective of professions, caste, wealth, and positions in the society, they were living together happily. Because they know that the world and bodies are not permanent, whatever we perform, either faith or sin, the results of such works only follow when we vacate the earth. This was their attitude. To such village, one day a businessman arrived. He offered so many articles what he had for sale, but the villagers were not interested to buy. He approached a poor man and said, "How long you'll sleep on this old mat? Already this mat made up of palm leaves had torn to some extent. I have a beautiful, colorful and plastic one. It is durable for a long time. Buy it." The poor man replied, "My dear businessman, my grandfathers had slept on it. My father slept on it. If it gets some more ruin, then I'll ask my fellow villager who has the talent to weave the mats with the palm, etc. tree leaves which are available in nature at free of cost. It will be live food to him when I purchase mat from him. Moreover, after fell asleep, we don't sense on which we slept, whether on mat, a turf floor, or a silk foam bed. So this is enough for me. Anything we have now, one day we have to leave, including this body." Then the businessman went to a rich man and said, "How long you sleep on this old wooden cot? Though it has wooden carvings, but got old-fashioned. I have a beautiful, colorful and stylish one with silver carvings, cushioned spring mattresses. When others watch it, they feel jealousy to you. Buy it, just like Onida owner's pride, neighbors envy." Advertisement of Onida TV. The rich man replied, "My dear businessman, my grandfather had slept on it. My father slept on it. If it gets some more ruin, then I'll ask my fellow villager, the carpenter who has the talent to make the cots and wood of teak, etc. trees which are available in nature at free of cost. It will be live food to him when I purchase cots from him. Moreover, after fell asleep, we don't sense on which we slept, whether on mat, a floor, or a silk foam bed. So this is enough for me. Anything we have now, one day we have to leave, including this body. Moreover, if I raise jealous in others, it will give pain to me and themselves also. Due to faith I have done in previous births, God had given wealth in this birth. If I get good name from others by helping them with my wealth, that is enough for me instead of investing money for luxuries." Then the businessman had thought how to seek the business. One night, when all the villagers are in sound sleep, he had put fire to the village. Almost everything was burnt down, so that to meet the immediate demand, his business got increased. By destroying what we have, there is a lot of business scope. If the ads in media destroy our satisfied feelings about what we have, then there is a lot of business scope. That's why elders said that be at far to the things which will drive us towards luxuries such as wine shops, bars, gambling houses, gambling centers, like that. If media bring them to our house and minds, what we'll do? The situation goes to Jayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Bhajayate Sangas Sanjayate Kama Kamat Krodho Vijayate Krodhodbhavati Sammohaha Sammoha Smruti Brahmaha Smruti Brahmshat Buddhinasho Buddhinashat Pranashyati. If we run after the luxuries, ultimately we lose our wisdom. Will become arrogance, ignorance. That's why Hindu lifestyle leads us to live with such awareness. This is the brightness and bliss given by Hindu Sanatana Dharma to the world. This is the mud lamp in the hands of Mata Anantananda, enlightened by ancient Indian saints. Harihi Om. Thank you for watching. This is somehow some lengthy light. Harihi Om.